children.
There. I threatened her with push-ups if she cut the corners earlier. She says, I can't do push-ups. And I was like, well,
Yes, she can.
you might want to learn if you're going to keep cutting the corners.
Well, it'll start with girl push-ups and work up to the rest.
Girl, look at that. Way out here. Way out here. Now slow down. There. And then it's beautiful.
That was nice.
Good girl. Oops, missed. That's okay. Bend and soften him. Bend and soften him. Good there. You know your warm-up and everything? Why don't you go learn your warm-up? That's your job, right?
Oh, jeez. That was a bummer because that was a pretty good round. Uh-huh.
That was close.
That was.